we are going to try another contract. See how it goes. No. Just skip it for now. It looks kind of like Halo a little bit. Master Chief is crushed to the middle of an alien world, surrounded by zombies, overrun, about to die. Master Chief. Master Chief. Ooh, ammo. Well, oh, dang it. This is gonna be another hard one. Come on. Come on, honey buns. Come on, faster. Come on. Go. Come on, where's another crate? Come on, give it to me. Come on, give me another crate. Get off of me, you're slowing me down. Come on, honey buns. Run for your life. I'm not going to win this one either. There's Master Chief's ship. I'm going to die. Run for your life. Oh gosh, I'm going to die. I am going to die. A horrible death. Yep, I'm dead. I am dead. Dead as a doornail. Get out of my way. Oh gosh, get out of my way. Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I am dead. Dead. Red Dead Redemption in space with zombies. Come on. Oh, really? Oh, C. Man, I sucked at that one. Jeez, got a C. That sucked. Oh, gosh. Maybe I'll do better next time. Countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep. Gosh. Man, that sucked. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Kills 23. Didn't die like I thought, but gosh. Well, that did not go as I planned. Oh well. Make sure you subscribe and like my video and make a comment. Let me know what you think. And keep gaming on.